Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from MQB2. We want to present our first project about palm print technology for the subject Network and Management Information System. Our team member, first Nabihah Solehah Binti Abdul Malek, metric number 1191C83. Second, Siti Nurfatimah Binti Abd.Rashid, metric number 1191C84. And the third, Siti Farhatun Najwa Binti Zolkefli, metric number 1191C87.
A palm print refers to an image acquired of the palm region of the hand. It can be either an online image, example, taken by a scanner or CCD, or offline image where the image is taken with ink and paper. The palm itself consists of principal lines, wrinkles, that is secondary lines, and epidermal ridges. It differs to a fingerprint, and it also contains other information such as texture, indents, and marks, which can be used when comparing one palm to another. Palm prints can be used for criminal forensic or commercial applications. Palm prints, typically from the palm, are often found at crime scenes as the result of the offender's gloves slipping during the commission of the crime, and thus exposing part of the unprotected hand.
The value does technology have for business? First, easy. Users don't have to bother issuing cards, as is usual for any company for its employees who come in during working hours. The palm of the hand is enough for the user to access something or get permission to something and so on. Second one is fast. Doesn't take long time during big access because the user only needs to place the palm of the hand and the system will continue to read the information before giving permission to the user. Last one is safe. The data stored in the palm print system is securely stored in the database system based in MCMC Malaysia, and if any information leakage will be constantly monitored to protect the personal data of our users.
Impact palm print technology have relates to technology or business. The market is thriving on account of the opportunity created by the advancements in criminal identification system, along with the rising adoption of palm recognition biometric by the government of nations worldwide. Furthermore, rising the concern for data and asset security among government organizations, bank enterprise, hospital, telecommunication organization, and individual, among others, is rising the need for increased adoption of advanced biometric verification system. Impact those technology have on people, process, and business. First one is non-transferable. Palm print are not transferable. Is ruling out the sharing of password or clocking in on behalf of another colleague. This allows for more accurate tracking of workforce and provides additional security against the theft of sensitive material. Second one is accountability. Using palm print recognition also provide a higher level of accountability at work. Biometric proof will have been present when a situation or incident has occurred is hard to refute and can be used as evidence if required. The last one is secure security. One area that can be applied in the workplace is identifying workers using the biometric measure. These are an option to companies who are looking to strengthen the security of their network. Palm recognition biometric is referred to the advanced form of authentication technology to prevent unauthorized access. Unlike the traditionally used authentication system, such as keystroke dynamic-based user authentication using numeric keypad, key-based authentication, and identity badges, among others. Palm recognition biometry identifies the palm scan record stored in the database with the instantly scanned palm image of an individual. Issues palm print technology. It will cause high deployment costs, as palm recognition biometric usually costs high Hence, upgrading the existing system of the end user to the new technology will require significant investment, which is anticipated to hamper the market growth. Moreover, as businesses and government are under constant threat from hackers, the fear of data theft or fraud is also therefore anticipated to limit the market growth. Next, impact of COVID-19 on the global palm recognition biometric market. The recent coronavirus pandemic has generated a significant opportunity for rising demand for contactless biometric authentication system. To meet the rising demand for such product, manufacturers in the biometric industry had made significant advancement in their product by developing contactless hand-based biometric system. Moreover, with the rising number of coronavirus cases worldwide, the deployment of contactless biometric system is projected to grow significantly in the day to come. The next issue is impact from accident. It is because when the accident happens to a person, it will change the structure of the palm print to recognize or identify the data of the person. The last issue is system failure. Scanners are subject to the same technical failure and limitation as all other electronic identification systems such as power outage, error, and environmental factors.
In our observation, with the renewal of 5G technology in Malaysia, they can add another new technology, namely palm print technology. Although it will cost a fortune to implement this technology, but it will guarantee a bright future in line with Malaysia's vision to restore the country and achieve Malaysia's status as a developed and high-income country. This technology is also likely to be a profitable technology and will be easy to use for kids, teenagers, and adults. Just as the 5G technology was successful, this technology will also achieve the same success when it is introduced to the appropriate sector in this country. After all the information given, we suggest that they can add this palm print technology as an effort to reduce the use of frequently used materials such as papers. For example, the use of a lot of ballot papers when conducting a ballot to appoint the Prime Minister and so on. So with this technology, paper wastage can be reduced. The use of this technology also during the voting process can be done quickly without the need to isolate as well as discard spoiled votes, which may slow down the vote counting process. This technology can be the number one technology that is easy to use and affordable for our country.
In conclusion, our group chose this technology is because it has not been introduced yet in Malaysia. It is one of the 4.0 technologies where humans no longer need to use a lot of energy in doing something, instead directing to the system or machine to do something. Most developed countries such as the United States use this technology because it simplifies their daily affairs in addition to controlling the security of their data and personal information. We want to introduce this technology in Malaysia so that our country becomes one of the developed countries that use this new technology as in other countries. We hope that the technology that we will introduce in Malaysia will get good response both in terms of leaders and the people. We also call on Malaysians to always take advantage of existing technologies such as rice printing machines to save manpower, as well as the palm print identification system able to save time and keep personal data safe.